5 AI tools are quietly replacing millions of jobs right now, and most people have no idea. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact tools that companies are using to cut entire departments. But here's the twist. If you learn to use these tools yourself, you won't lose your job. You'll become irreplaceable. Let's get into it. Number 1. Claude and ChatGPT are replacing content writers, customer support agents, and even junior developers. These AI assistants can write emails, code entire applications, analyze data, and create marketing copy in seconds. Companies like Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with AI. The key takeaway? Don't compete with AI, learn to use it. The person who knows how to prompt AI effectively is worth 10 times more than someone who doesn't. Number 2. Midjourney and DALL-E are destroying the graphic design industry. These tools can create stunning, photorealistic images, logos, marketing materials, and product mock-ups in under a minute. What used to take a designer hours now takes seconds. Freelance designers on platforms like Fiverr are seeing their income drop by 50%. But designers who combine their skills with AI are charging even more. The tool doesn't replace creativity. It replaces repetitive work. Number 3. Synthesia and HeyGen are replacing video creators, actors, and even news anchors. These platforms create realistic AI avatars that can speak any language, present any script, and look completely human. Companies are using them for training videos, marketing content, and product demos. No camera, no studio, no actors needed. One person with these tools can produce what used to require an entire production team. Number 4. Cursor and Devon AI are coming for software developers. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that can build entire features from a simple description. Devon, the world's first AI software engineer, can plan, code, debug, and deploy applications autonomously. Junior developer roles are already shrinking, but senior developers who leverage these tools are becoming 3 to 5 times more productive. The future belongs to developers who work with AI, not against it. And number 5. Google's Notebook LM and Perplexity are replacing researchers, analysts, and consultants. These tools can analyze hundreds of documents, summarize research papers, and generate insights that used to take weeks of human work. Notebook LM can even turn your documents into a podcast. Perplexity provides real-time research with citations. The era of spending days researching is over. The question is, will you use these tools, or will they replace you? Here's the truth. AI won't replace you. A person using AI will replace you. The choice is yours. Start learning these tools today, and you'll be in the top 1% of your field. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. I'll see you in the next one.